like manual progression.
Assembly, first performance, so let's give it up again for all of our acts. Alright, so we hope you guys liked what you saw. Come back, visit us again, 6 p.m. right here, free of charge, and watch the complete thing, because you guys missed out. It's a great act as well. Now that we're concluding our show, we just ask you guys to only exit from the front exits, I guess, because people are going to be coming in from the back, and just return to third period. Thank you guys.
So anybody that bothers you, you gotta leave. So hopefully that's nobody. But without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to Asian Assembly 2011's MC.
Yesterday, so we're like, why not?
Performance. I'm Jason.
I'm Michael.
And I'm Winston.
This is 2011 Asian Assembly, or as we like to call it, the Kevin Boo Show.
Alright, so just a quick request for you guys. During our first performance, the crowd wasn't really getting into it. I'm sure you guys are going to do much better. So whenever you guys see something you like, something that's funny, something that's good, just clap, holler, do whatever, get excited.